Running Node.js and Python on PHP shared hosting might seem challenging, but it's entirely possible with the right steps. Let's explore how you can set up both environments seamlessly. First, log into SSH using your shared hosting credentials. Navigate to your desired directory and download Node.js for Linux. Extract the files and update your path variable in the bot-bashrc file. Save the changes and run source in bashrc to install Node.js and npm. Verify the installation by checking their versions. Finally, create a project folder and initialize it with npm init y. To run Python scripts, first, install Symfony's process component using Composer. Create a script.py file with a simple print statement. Then, in index.php, use Symfony's process class to execute the Python script. Run index.php to see the output from script.py. Navigate to your project directory and create a virtual environment using Python 3 mvenv. Activate it and install necessary packages like nltk, spaCy, and textblob. Use a PHP script to execute Python code within this environment, capturing and displaying the output efficiently.